Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your speaker to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to the settings at the right top. Then you need to go to the sound mode, and right here at the top we have LDAC. To enable it, just click on it. Now you need to wait, and to disable it, just click at the combine audio, and also you need to wait. Now if you have Apple device, you cannot use LDAC because Apple devices doesn't support this codec. This support only SBC and AAC, so AAC is your maximum. And the second one, if you have Android phone, you may not have this codec also. I mean, not all Android phones support this codec, so you need to check is your phone support it. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.